So, pretty recently for my wife's birthday, Kayla's mom got her a Instapot, and we just used it for the first time today on frozen chicken. Cooked it in 16 minutes, and actually, I think it would have cooked in a less amount of time than that. But this time, I decided to put some stuff together. I wanted to make some kind of spaghetti, but I didn't have any hamburger meat, but I had a package of beef pasta hamburger helper, so it tastes like beef. So I put that in there with some tomato sauce, with some mushroom, with some spaghetti, with some of the hamburger helper noodles as well. And I'm gonna see how it turns out. Hopefully, it turns out really, really well. I'm kind of scared, honestly. But hopefully this isn't titled Epic Fail. So, yeah. I did a little bit of reading online, and it said basically to do half minus 2 minutes of what the cook time would be on the stove. But since I added more stuff to it as well, I ended up doing it about 10 minutes, and then I stopped it, because I did do 15 initially. But, yeah, that looks really good. I don't know if it's going to taste good, but it's not like it's a fail. It looks pretty good. Let's chow down. It does look a little overcooked to me, the noodles and stuff, but let's try it out. I mean, hey, it's not too bad. Especially with just the beef flavor and no actual beef, and then I put as much spaghetti sauce as I had here. It's not too bad. It has some mushrooms, and yeah, I mean, I could dig it. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm glad this wasn't a fail. This stuff is hot.